There has been a recent strong push for developing hydrogen technologies and hydrogen fuel cells, and we were approached by Michelin with the unique task of creating an automated refueling station for hydrogen fuel cells in their factory for automated guided vehicles. Throughout this journey, we did a lot of prototyping, a lot of ideation, landing us at this proof of concept as you see right here. So if you take your attention to the back here, this metal plate would symbolize an AGV. There's two configurations here because we wanted to kind of do something that could apply to more than one AGV. So we have two different positionings there. And as you can see, there's three main connections. One is for draining out water from the fuel cell. One is for fueling in hydrogen, but in our case, we're using compressed air to stay safe. And finally, there's a communications cable that we're just kind of mocking up with an electrical connection that turns on an LED and starts to actuate the fueling. So, first off, this is not the home position. It always starts by sending the entire system home. Once the system's at home, an AGV will approach. Now, in the actual industrial setting, this might be through a QR code or machine vision. We're simply displaying this with a color sensor. So imagine this is an AGV pulling up. The color sensors sit right here. And fueling has started for the first AGV. And as you can see with our unique design here for the pullback cuff, we use a pneumatic cylinder to sort of pull back the cuffs on the quick connects here and then engage them as well for fueling. So as you can see right now, we're building up pressure. And the cuffs have been disconnected. That hissing there kind of shows you the pressure we built in there. And the AGV moves back, ready to return home. So let's just send it home here. So I'm sure, as you can imagine, in an industrial setting, you might be dealing with more than one automated guided vehicle. We showed you one connection, but we prepared a second one just to show how versatile this design could be. And that's presented by the color green here. So as you can see, this has been programmed to go to this second unique location, as opposed to the last one we showed. And as you can see back here, we have some pressure building as well, and we're going to show some water drainage. And that sort of represents the entire cycle of the refueling process here. You got your hydrogen or compressed air going in, compressed air in our case, water coming out, and the electrical connections is making sure everything's happening safely. And at the end of the day, as always, we're going to send it home. So hope you enjoyed this demo video here, and looking forward to seeing you all at Expo.